Hello everyone. So in your previous class you studied series completion chapter, and there you applied some logic and solved the next number what we have to come. So in this chapter, that is inserting missing character, we have to apply some kind of logic. It is almost same as your series completion chapter, and we have to apply some kind of logic and we have to fill the gaps. And coming to our first problem, that is 27 1 9 6 7 14 9 7, and we have to fill this gap. See here, 27 into 1, that is 27, and we have to divide it by 3, we will get 9. We can take any number, but it should be in a proper logic. And coming to this number, 6 into 7, that is 42, divided by 3, it is 14. And then coming to this number, 9 into 7, it is 63, divided by 3 is 21. So this number is 21. And coming to next question, here also we have to apply some logic and we have to fill this gap. So see here, what logic we can apply here? 80 divided by 10, that equal to 8. 80 divided by 10, 8. And then 30 divided by 6. 30 divided by 6, that is 5. And then in the same logic, we have to apply 10 divided by 2, that equal to 50. So our answer is 50 here. And coming to our third question, so here also we have to fill this gap, and 4 3s are 4 into 3, that is 12. We have to multiply by 10 here to get this number 120. So in the same logic, 11 into 9, that is 99, and into 10, that equal to 99. So this number we get here. So in the same logic, 15 into 6, what is 15 into 6? It is 90 into 10, 900. So we have to apply any kind of logic here to get the blank number. Okay, coming to our next problem. So we have to apply some logic and we have to find this number. So see here, 5 into 3, that is 12, sorry 15 plus 4. These two we have to multiply and add with 4, that is 19. And then coming to this one, 7 into 5, that is 35 plus 6, 41, and then 6 into 4, that equal to 24 plus 5, 29. So our answer is 41. And coming to this question, see here, so we have to get 9, 12, and we have to find this number. So what we should do here, 6 into 5 into 3, that is 6 5s are 30, 33s are 90, and divided by 10, that is 9. This logic. And 6 into 5, that is 30, and then into 4, how much it is? 120 divided by 10, that is 12. The same kind of logic we have to apply here. Now 8 into 10 into 2, that is 10 into 8, 80, 82s are 160, divided by 10 is 16. So our answer is 16 here. And coming to our next problem. So in this problem you have to find the cube root of the number. We have to multiply all these three numbers and make the cube root of that, and then we will get this number. See here, 8 into 2 into 4, cube root of this. So 8, 2 4s are 8. 8 into 8, that is 64. Cube root of 64 is 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So we can answer this. Now apply the same logic. Cube root of 3 into 3 into 3, that is cube root of 27. That is answer is 3. And coming to next question, 2 into 6 into 18, cube root, that equal to cube root of 216. So our answer is 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. So our answer is 6. Okay, coming to our next problem, that it is given in square and we have to find this number. So let us see how to solve to get this number. So see here, if here it is gap, then we have to use these three and we have to get this number. Here also same, these three numbers we have to use and we have to get this number. Like this, here also same. See here, 7 into 4, 7 into 4, that is 28, and minus 1, it is 27. And then coming to next number, these two we have to multiply and we have to subtract this one. 8 into 5, that is 40, minus 2, 38. In the same way, 9 into 6, how much 9 into 6? It is 54, minus 3, 51. So our this answer is 51. And coming to next question. So here we have to get this number. See here. So first we have to find these three and we will get easily this one. Okay, see here, 6 into 7. What is 6 into 7? 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7, that is 13. 13 into 5, that is 65. We have to add these two numbers and we have to multiply with this. And again, next same, 3 into 2, it is 6. 3 plus 2, it is 5. 3 plus 2, it is 5. 9 into 4, that is 20. In the same way, we have to solve this. So, by solving this, we have to first do x plus 4. X plus 4 and then into 9, we will get 45. Finding the value of x here. So, x plus 4 equal to 45 divided by 9. X plus 4 is equal to 5. X plus 4 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 minus 4. X is equal to 1. So our this answer is 1. So please write down these logics. And coming to our next question. So see, 3, 9, 18, CIR and x. So we have to find this one. See student, it is a very simple logic. C means it is third letter, A, B, C, it is third letter, and I is ninth letter, R is 18th letter and X is 24th letter. A, B, C. So up to Z you have to know 1, 2, 3, up to 26. So C means 3, I means 9, R means 18 and X means 24. So this we solved. And coming to our next question. See 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. So these all are cube numbers. It is 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube and 6 cube. So in this gap we will get 7 cube or 1 cube. So if we take this box with this series, it will be 1 cube. Or we will start from 8 and we will continue with this series, and it will be 7 cube. So 1 cube is 1 and 7 cube is how much? 7 cube? 3, 4, 3. So these two answers we are getting here, but the answer of this question is totally depend on the options what they are giving you. So they will give this or this in the option. Both they can't give. Okay. So this is our 10th question. And coming to our 11th question. So we have to find this number. So see here how to solve this. Okay. See here. For this 3 into 4 minus 8 equal to 4. 3 into 4 means 12 minus 8, that equal to 4. 4 equal to 4. So first you have to multiply these two numbers and then subtract from 8. You will get this number. And the same way 2 into 5, that is 10, minus 4, that is 6. So same logic we have to apply for all three. And the same way 4 into 5 equal to 20 and then minus 9, it is 11. So here our answer is 11. So coming to our next question, that is, this is also given in square, but these all are given in alphabets. So let us see how to solve this question. So see here we have to know the numbers of alphabet here. So first see A means 1, D means 4, H means 8, F is 6, I means 9, M means 13, N means 14, R is 18. So these are the numbers of the given letters. But you can do directly also, no problem. See here, A means 1 and F is 6. So what is the difference between these two? So 6 minus 1 is 5. Difference between these two is 5. And difference between these two, 13 minus 8 is 5. And difference between these two is also 5. In the same sense, 5, 5. And here also it should be 5. So F 6 plus 5 is 11. 11th letter is K. Our answer is K. And then coming to this number, this question, see here Z, Y, S. We have to go column wise. Z means 26. W means 23. S is 19. See here, difference. These two difference is 3 and these two difference is 4. In the same way, 10, G means 7, C means 3. Difference these two is 3 and these two is 4. In the same way, this also. R is 18, O is 15. So 3 difference. Again, we have to subtract here. 18 minus 3 is 15. 15 minus 4 we have to do. So 11th letter is K. And then coming to our next question, P S gap 0 R U M P S. So in this question we have to go row wise. See here, M is 13, 15, 16. So these two difference is 2 and these two row difference is 1. 1, 2. It should be 1 and 2. So S plus 2 means U plus 1 means V. Our answer is V. And then coming to this question. So here we have to find the numbers as well as the letters. See here. So come from second column to the first column. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Here it is 2. And then these two. 13 minus 6 is 7. So here is 7. And then 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8. How much? 2. So our number comes here 2. But what about letters? See here. A plus 2 C. C plus 2 E. P plus 2. P plus 2 is 18 means R. R plus 2 T. T is 20. And then N is 14. 14 plus 2 16. 16 letter is P. And P plus 2. P plus 2 means 18. 18 letter is R. So our answer is 2R for this question. So in this chapter I solved all kind of problems here, but some more problems you have to do at your home by using net or any books. Thank you.